Welcome to Miss Precious Math class, where mathematics topics are taught simple and easy. Hi, this is Miss Precious, your mathematics teacher. For today's lesson, we are going to focus on the topic equal and equivalent sets. Let's start with equal sets. Set A is equal to set B if every element of A is an element of set B, and every element of set B is an element of A. In other words, both set A and set B have exactly the same elements to be equal. In notation, we can write this as A is equal to B. Let's have some example. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, and 4, while B is equal to the first 4 whole numbers. What do you think are the elements of set B? Great, they are 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is the same with set A. Since both sets contain the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, the set A is equal to set B. In notation, we can write this as A is equal to B. How about this next example? C is equal to L-I-V-E and D is equal to E-V-I-L. What did you notice on the elements of both sets? Very good. They have exactly the same elements. Since both sets contain the letters E, I, V, and L, therefore, set C is equal to set D. In notation, we can write this as C is equal to D. Let's proceed with the next topic, equivalent sets. Two sets that contain exactly the same number of elements, or what we call cardinality, are said to be equivalent sets. This means that the two sets are equivalent if they have the same cardinality or number of elements, but they don't contain exactly the same elements. In notation, we write this as A is equivalent to B. Let's have some example. C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and set D is equal to A, B, C, D, and E. You will notice that the two sets have different elements. Therefore, they are not equal. Now, let's identify if the given sets are equivalent. To identify, let's find first the cardinality of each set. What are the cardinality of the given set? Let's start with set C. What is the cardinality of set C? That's right, it's 5. Cardinality of C is equal to 5. How about set D? Good job, it's also 5. Cardinality of D is equal to 5. The cardinality of two sets are equal. They are both 5. Since the two sets do not contain the same element and they have the same cardinality, therefore, C is equivalent to D. Let's have another example. Set G is equal to L-O-V-E and set H is equal to L-I-F-E. Are the two sets equivalent? To identify if the two sets are equivalent, let's determine its cardinality. What is the cardinality of the given sets? Great! The cardinality of set G is equal to 4, while the cardinality of set H is also equal to 4. Are the two sets equivalent? That's right, they are equivalent. Since the two sets do not contain the same element and they have the same cardinality, therefore, G is equivalent to H. Let's check if you truly understand the topic through an activity. Tell whether if each statement is true or false. Let's start with number 1. We have here set containing the elements O, N, and E equal to the set containing elements N, E, and O. Is it true or false? Excellent. This is true because they have exactly the same elements. How about number 2? We have here a set containing even numbers from 2 to 50 equivalent to the set containing odd numbers from 1 to 49. Is this true or false? That's right. It is true because they have the same cardinality, which is 25. How about number 3? The set containing the elements A, T, O, M is equivalent to the set containing T, O, M, A. Is this true or false? If your answer is false, very good, because the two sets are not equivalent, but they are equal, because they have exactly the same elements. So it should be equal sets. Number 4. We have the set containing the Roman numeral number 1, 2, and 3 is equal to the set containing the numbers 1, 2, and 3. Is this true or false? If your answer is false, this is false because the two sets do not contain exactly the same elements. Last but not the least, number 5, we have the set containing the names Jose, Apolinario, and Andres equivalent to the set containing the surnames Rizal, Mabini, and Bonifacio. Is this true or false? Good job! This is true because the two sets are not exactly the same, and they only have the same cardinality, therefore they are equivalent. To end our lesson, I'll leave you with a quotation. The way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. It means that if you want to learn, then you do it yourself in your own way. And we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. If we practice more eventually, we can learn and do it with ease. Thank you very much. See you on our next lesson. Stay safe and God bless.